The topic of today's webinar is meaning of life. A complex topic indeed, and philosophical too. From the very beginning, people on this planet have been trying to find the real meaning of life. For different persons, life has different meanings. It has different definitions. For some, it is love. For some, it is money. For some, it is religion. For some, it is spirituality. For some, it is academic achievement, and so on. But in all these, there is one factor common, and that is happiness. The great philosopher Aristotle had said that life is all about happiness. In every act of ours, happiness is there. We sacrifice, we work hard for getting happiness. Happiness is the meaning and purpose of life. It is the whole aim and end of human existence. If you are wealthy, if you have all comforts of life, and if there is no happiness, you are not happy, then I would say that there is no life in your life. If you are at the top of success of your field, but you are not happy, then that success is useless. The question is, how happiness can be achieved? The answer is very simple. Happiness comes from within. Happiness doesn't come from outside. Happiness is a state of mind. If your goals, your aims, your desires are fulfilled, you become happy. If your desires are not fulfilled, you get frustrated, you get disappointed, you become unhappy. So happiness is there in achieving your goal. I would like here to suggest some points which would help you to achieve your goal. The first point is, and that is a very important point, of course, that decide what you want to be in your life. You set your objective. You set your goal. And not only that, you must have a very strong belief and confidence for its fulfillment. Only desiring will not work. If you work wholeheartedly for achieving any goal, there is no doubt at all that you would not be successful. And if you work half-heartedly, then it is mere chance that you will get success. So there should be a strong determination strong belief and confidence. I will do it. I can do it. Start with this assumption. The second point is take responsibility for the present situation. Your ability to respond for a situation will determine your life. Do not blame people or situation. Both are powerless without your reaction. You do not blame even yourself for the situation. Whatever situation is there, you accept. Don't blame anybody. Accept the situation as it is. Accept everything as it is. Accept the present moment. Accept others. Accept yourself fully. The biggest problem in this world is that majority of people are not accepting themselves. So you have to develop this power of accepting everything. And I have one device for this. I have a practical experience that how this power can be developed. To develop this, you repeat every day 3 or 4 times that I love, I respect, and I approve of myself exactly as I am. Someone once told that the past is history, the future is mystery, and the present is a gift. Don't think about past. Don't think much about future. Live in present. Think of the present.